you. We're following new developments today in the case of suspended Metro Police Officer David Bisard. The prosecution made it clear in today's hearing in Fort Wayne that it wants to include Bisard's most recent DUI arrest when Bisard goes on trial for the deadly 2010 DUI crash. RTV6 reporter Jack Reinhardt is live in Fort Wayne with today's developments. Jack.
Well, Jenna, today was the final day for filing motions in the David Bisard case, and it's also the final day for plotting legal strategies before this case goes to trial in October. The state filed a number of motions asking the court to put limits on the kinds of witnesses the defense might present and the types of evidence they would bring to trial. The state wants to prohibit the testimony of the IMPD officers and the federal agents who interviewed 67 witnesses who testified that Bisard did not seem impaired or intoxicated moments after his 2010 crash that killed Eric Wells and injured 2 others. And it seeks to prohibit statements made by then-prosecutor Carl Brizzi days after the accident that questioned the accuracy and the legality of Bisard's blood draw. And if the defense intends to call witnesses who will testify to Bisard's good character, the state wants to rebut the testimony with evidence of his April 22nd arrest in Lawrence for drunk driving.
We believe the facts from the 2013 arrest are strikingly similar. And therefore, if the defense were to raise the issue, we think we should have the right to rebut it with the 2013.
Bisard's defense attorneys filed a motion to sequester the jury, suppress the blood evidence, and move the trial setting to a date as soon as possible.
Our client's in jail, and we feel good about the defense in this case, so we thought it was important to try to move the trial date up. I think everyone tried their best to see if we could pick a new 2 to 3 week slot to have this trial, and we just couldn't get it done.
Aaron Wells, the father of the motorcyclist killed in the August 2010 crash, surprisingly isn't so sure that Bisard's second DUI arrest should be admitted at trial.
Not necessarily. It is a separate situation altogether. I've always believed that this man never quit drinking and driving.
Because of scheduling conflicts between the court, the prosecution, and the defense, there was no way to move this trial up. The original date of October 14th still stands, and sometime in late July, we'll have a better idea of where this case is headed legally when the judge rules on all of the motions filed today. Live in Fort Wayne, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.